Hi everyone, welcome back to today's very important video.
Hello everyone. Matam khragi mamangda aina aigi Facebook ki through the mayam da haji ki beduni how to become a pilot. Mayam da information ka pije ge na. Aina khanja bada koi gi Manipur sida horakliba angang sing pilot oining badi याम यौरम गदब माले अदबु मतु कमाई तौदना करम बलंबी चलगा कनादा कंसल्ट तौरगा करमाई कोचिंग तौदना करी लाइक पादना करी कमाई तौदन पाले और कदगे हाइबकी इन्फॉर्मेशन चिदी फंगब वाना बदगी ओइनिंग न असिगी कैरियर सी चूज तौदब यौरम मसु याय न खले अदुगुंबा होरकलिबा चासिंग इनाउसिंग इचलसिंग यौरम मगदी मोईगी काननबगी खंदुना आइना नसीदी सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू द हायरब वीडियोस अपलोड तौजगे तौबनी my aim is just to provide some guidance to all the aspiring pilots ado I ayamdadi manipuri da hajege aduga ahambagi session jidi aina broadly aviation sector as a aviation as a career have no have to touch again adugi makhata badadi specific in more details daga leba kanguna response to biro pambiraga share to biu aduga specific question jo aigi Facebook ki through the hambiro aduga makhata ba videos upload to jarake darkar gi matungina adu ngasi gi damakdadi aina just simply broad overview do in high again. When a pilot oigi high targadi, there are two kinds of pilots in India. Depends how you differentiate. Okay, but generally all over the world, pilot high military pilot high bama, other civil pilot high bama. Ani wahi ani thenani karum karna sumi karna professional pilot can high bishar mode professional pilot high gana akoina professionalism rom the base targa divide tawbani adu taragati koi private pilot high tadi masagi plane lai jaba commercially employ tawdo planes in the thojaba pilot kangu duna aduna private pilot kawre aduga professional pilot high gana commercially rom chatharaga paisa tan rom chatharaga as a job as a livelihood piloting jeep livelihood oina chatharaga piloting to kangu dina professional pilot hire khandarani ado professional pilot and private pilot si to khizi maram di akoi private pilot to di out of context ni akoi india da di adu private pilot to di yam masing leite aduga adugi option ji thalo gisi aduna we are talking about professional pilots agati pilot वर्गा कमायना आएगी professional और जत्था के दिखे है so professional pilots that there are two things that is military pilot and civil pilot military pilot civil pilot कमाइन चंगे दिखे हर ट्रीम मांग दा आइना चौराक पर इंडियन की एविएशन सेक्टर्स है broad overview of बीजेगे we have military aircrafts and civil aircrafts okay military dadi we have Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, Indian Army. Defense के arms home work दा लोइना बग aeroplane ले. अदुगा paramilitary forces तना BSF की जो aeroplane ले. अतोपा paramilitary forces थी aeroplane ले थी. अने of course ले coast guard से ले. अदुना defense forces ता Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force plane ले. अदुगा paramilitary forces तना Indian Coast Guard and BSF plane ले चौराना plane क्या मुले इंडिया दा Indian Air Force की confidentially आइना हादो परी आदा बदी ना approximate हाई जगह around 500 plus ले Indian Air Force का अदगी दी Navy they have hundreds plus Army also they have 100 plus okay types of aeroplane Siddharamu broadly fighter aeroplane, transport aeroplane, and helicopter aeroplane. Okay. Sida UAV namale sidi ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯣꯞꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯡꯃꯗ ꯊꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯃꯤꯁꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯟ ꯑꯦꯌꯔ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯇ ꯐꯥꯏꯇꯔꯅꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠꯅꯤ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯍꯦꯂꯤꯀꯣꯞꯇꯔꯅꯤ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯄꯣर्टꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ इंडियन नेवीदसु फाइटर लई ट्रांसपोर्ट लई हेलीकॉप्टर लई इंडियन आर्मी ददी ओनली हेलीकॉप्टर्स लई अदगिदी बीएसएफ द ट्रांसपोर्ट एयरक्राफ्ट लई अदु कोस्ट गार्ड ददी ट्रांसपोर्ट का अदुगा हेलीकॉप्टर का लई so we have more than defense forces paramilitary forces and armed forces on hijrage armed forces the more than 10,000 pilots when I'm talking about pilots I'm talking about current pilots retired young jadreko current more than 10,000 pilots like so my thodana you come towards civil aviation you also have more than 10,000 pilots because airlines bulk of the civil aeroplanes are in airlines the biggest by size is Indigo India da mathang da SpiceJet mathang Air India mathang Go Air then Vistara then Air Asia TrueJet the High Star big boys na Flyboy and amuj tholaka tore Air Costa matam khari mamang da thupsingre degi Zoom Air matam khara chalayami aduga hojik khara pathara leiri sina smai tawdana punna we also have more than about 500 aeroplanes civil sigi matakta all the Tatas Ambanis Reliance Adanis go the India Bulls the Kalyan Jewelries the high mayam corporate housing je moi masa masa ge aeroplane mari nga loi leiba ngakni most of them businesses moi su pilot kangum le adun moi kangu sina corporate flying kawi the airlines kabu na airlines pilot kawi adegidi natabada koi chartered company kangu musle chartered company ha gadi transport companies ga thona pongna ba yaba adumba aeroplane masa masa yam le similar hai adegi we have more than about 100 plus flying schools and flying academies in India moi gisu aeroplane manga to lai liba ngakani and they also all of them will be employing close to about 10 to 15 pilots and instructors so aduna haibadi punna India da more than 10,000 plus active pilots layer so altogether close to about I estimate skimaka punna matungina it's around 25,000 active pilots layer ngadran kali India da 25,000 is very less compared to size of the populations simple however doctors kam layer ngune lakhs engineer kam layer ngune lakhs IS officer kam layer ngune lakhs defense forces police kam layer ngune lakhs the layer businessmen kam layer even politicians lakhs layer ngune adu taragadi high professional job mayam siga compared to gadi pilot sector aviation sector is like is just minuscule moigi 1-2% in layer aduga piloting is the why you should choose piloting is first thing it is got everything you want glamour yes glamour quotient very high monetary very high one of the highest paid sectors okay adventure nothing you can't compare this sector with any other professions so you have glamour money and adventure okay so this is one job which you will be doing a hobby or things which you like and you'll be earning money out of it so it's not a very bad options yes aduga magi risk factor later banate risk factors jam lai aduna kona specific haijege It's not that simple. You cannot just become a pilot just like that. I want to become a pilot, I'll spend some money. And yapote. Kudama I doctor winning engineer winning I paisa later my parents will pay, my father will pay, and paisa later my parents will pay, my father will pay, and I'll go to any engineering college, medical college, and I'll become a pilot. I'll become a engineer or doctor. My hobby yes, it's right tricky. Aduna aina khata na haje adun hujik broadly hajagre India da aeroplane machine kyamung lei pilot kyamung lei aduga higher mayam ji atopa sectors inga compare tawraba matungda kyam mi kyam yam bano do aya chawrak hajagre. Now coming to slightly specific now. Okay, military pilot am command hoige dage haibdo hajarage military pilot am oige hai taragadi you have to go through two things. First thing is through Air Force or through Naval Academy. Okay. So, makha de hajarake. Minimum category, minimum qualification required to become a pilot is 10+2. Hypothetical. 12 class pass or whatever. With two things. One, you should have physics, and one should have mathematics. Physics and mathematics minimum you should have at least 50% you should have secured, and you should be holding a 10+2 education and qualification from any recognized university in the country. This be a minimum. Okay, how to become? First is you can become by joining NDA, National Defense Academy. National Defense Academy dazu moi Army, Navy, Air Force ana ahum thongna moi category khaidokani adubu entrance same ni adi Naval Academy na amuslei Goa da Mandovi da. Okay, most entrance is same ni habit academy anima ki entrance is same ni Naval Academy and NDA apamba choice tawbiu yani aduga yo mafamdu ND da join torba Naval Academy join torba tanda Air Force ki hoina choose to gera natragana Navy da sangana commission torba tanda aviation da op to gera apam to bi yani aduga Air Force sangragana again after 3 years of training, graduation training under JNU in NDA, you will spend 1 year in Air Force Academy for Air Force training. Adugi matungda based on the performance and choice both. Performance, choice, and vacancy. Based on these three things, you will be given either helicopter, fighter, or transport. Suppose aduga army the changore khalane army the changom commission tawraba matungda nang arms choose to matamda Indian moigi aviation da choose to yani army aviation ko moi na do army aviation corps na moi corps mali adu join taraga only helicopter pilot ko bi yani adu dagidi navy the changadi nang helicopter pilot o bisu yani transport pilot o bisu yani aduga fighter pilot officer yani tawdu moi masing yam de unlike Air Force the bulk is pilot ngakani ahum loile. Okay, aduna first obstacle is aduna ngasagi haiba NDA or Naval Academy entrance exam pass tawba adu mathangda is medical ji armed forces chi kanang tough oi mid sokpa si mainly problem je mid sokpa de problem oigali. Number 2 is the koigi sitting height physical adudi yam lobne da yam de loishuni. Second thing thereafter koigi class 1 medical ko class 1 medical si da mina airline kan tawba koigi samcham de khanba koigi sokiba operation legiba da koigi scar hai tare kogi fort pagi mami scar uma leirsu class 1 medical reject torkani aduna scar gumba leragadi kogi accident thogumba ge adai the operation thogumba gi to gi bagi scar ga leragadi adudi तौबीरोनु मिलिट्री ददी सिविल लोन चपियो यानी अदुना सिनी सुमाय तो ब्रॉडली चांकनी कमाइन तौगदबनो कमाइन चांकदन कमाइन ट्रेनिंग तौगदबनो आदि मखम अदुदी याम स्पेसिफिक ओइग्रानी अदुना मथंग वीडियो देना अपलोड तौजगे ओके सेकंड पार्ट नाउ हाउ टू बिकम ए सिविल पायलट ओके अमा चिथबम ले होरे सपोज ना क्लास 12 लोइग्रा मतुंगदा क्लास 12 द चंगहोद्रे खलो अना ग्रेजुएशन तौ तौ थोरे खलो अदि मतुंग again option only okay you can appear for CAT company common entrance test sama leibani Indian Air Force ki adu apply to view sin graduation you should be minimum a graduate science graduate ni same thing and having a physics and maths yaw gadi yara plus 2 da aduga any graduate even engineering graduate yani BTech yani any graduate amo or kanda now CDS can handle do my do aduna combined defense service examination havini aduna all combined to Air Force katagi oina CAT and amalai okay common entrance test adu exam thabiu aduga flying branch khanbiu changbiu flying branch da su ani thokna leini permanent commission haiba ma adi short service commission haiba ma permanent commission hairagadi again till you retire to till you superannuate okay aduga short service commission haragana 11 plus 4 years extendable almost close to 15 years of serve torogata tawni is okay by the way the short service commission is one of the very lucrative yamna karani aduga during trainings the stipend kya phangadaba ari पैसा क्या फंगदबा ट्रेनिंग कैम तब कमाई तब खोप है याम स्पेसिफिक होइग्रे अदुदी अइना मखाताना मखागी वीडियोस इन हाइजगे जिकते हाइजरो नाउ लेट्स कम टू नाउ सिविल एविएशन के जो रिक्वायरमेंट इज सामाने ngसागी अइना हाबा 10 प्लस टू द फिजिक्स एंड मैथ्स अदु यावदबा यारोय नाउ अदुदगी नाउ न वैलिडिटी ले अतोपा मना मुक English proficiency certificate English proficiency test pass out there level 1 2 3 4 5 6 na leni adhabedi I English ta communicate to bunga mi habagi certificate amazon pai ni so these are the subjects you need to have cleared before you apply for license harba lang mayam individual amamani ani loi ikatha torom tung hai punjala matung da loi mayam se puche adagidi mu you should have minimum of certain flying hours adu leire ana haraga mayam ji DGCA da submit torom matung da DGCA na license pirakani okay so what kind of license like first is koi SPL habam sule student pilot license habam sule habadi SPL hai jina koi ki flying academy jing jida the I student on a pilot student on a PIBI have a certificate license up in SPL kawai PPL habam sule sina private pilot license engas I have America umba kumba di chakot jaga lena kumba jaga di masam sa aeroplane la thona na ba license to the PPL kawai adagi dem CPL have commercial pilot license other ngasagi professional pilot ko gi haitan minimum you should have a CPL okay CPL and a commercial pilot license play le betane see makada quite top the ATPL kawai airline pilot license have an ATPL have CD airlines in the captain on a pie high target ATPL low the beade adu ATPL CD worry sagi rojmar ni madu yam tungi ni maram di it requires lots of experience to get ATPL is kind of the haragana kogi like the hag PhD to the wound jane god kitang wang hai and ATPL CD let's keep it out of the scope for right now for this talk okay other target akone concentrate to the CPL the commercial pilot license the specific for commercial pilot license ka mai phangni hai target ai nga sai have exam am pass tawre have a certificate to khut lerani adagidi aina flying academy am the minimum 200 hours of flying pung chani pairaba matung da sida sumu another 15 hours of multi engine hana di aeroplane ani panba engine ani pam aeroplane da pai ga da atai di engine am katang pai aeroplane ma sama sa thaina khoi loi da pa ka pa aeroplane ga hana do adum ba da pai su ya adum ba ngaten pai do adun hong bugi पैसादर इकोनॉमिकली खरा सेव होगी मिनिमम 200 hours पायरा बतुंगदा sai ai gi sigi sidagi paire sigi institution ji paire na harga submit torgani adu license piraga broadly this city pilot command oige dege na civil pilot command oige dege harga ha aina sit thom lere ngasagi medical ngasagi aina military armed forces da class 1 high samai to samane se class 1 medical tawni tawdabu civil gi class 1 medical di yamna di strict oide aduna aya manasudum ano upagas mi khrum mali ano upadi aeroplane pa biaro na habele no ano upagi wanate sidi civil ano upaga aeroplane pa bi yagani aduna magi limit lay okay aduna dum pilot aya manasudum ano upathinari duni civil dadi kasu kaide magi minimum limit to di hadi normal ne aduna first thing is pilot exam pilot ogi high target number 1 akoina ani to biye hana ngasagi siju dca gi through the class 1 medical han to thopi ho class 1 medical to gi have direct yaro class 2 medical torbo matung da minimum 3 months ki matung da amhona class 1 medical to budabni class 1 medical torbo matung da gi di sai khuding gi nang medical review to guni so that you are medically fit way na medical fit oidragadi pilot ai pilot winning hana chamubada yamna huge money invest obada kanaroi aduna number 1 ai bu hajo haragadi class 1 medical han to thopiu ai medically fit ore pilot obi yare hara matungda computer number apply tobiu aduga computer number apply toraba matungda prakha thaba hobiu aduga ngasagi flying club flying institute sing da su akoigi aina ro haidi kaim the exam pass out the high mayam ji tawd the changu su yani tawdu bu adu ta modi they will take you minimum 2 years to get you CPA or maybe more than that also adu ngasagi nang na haiba mayam ji exam pass over ngadigi haiba ai ngasaba computer number the medical ke loy mang le gadi just go to the flying institution and say I want to fly 200 hours. Within 1 year that they'll finish the 200 hours and they'll give you license. They'll provide everything for the license. So is the best way the ngasagi isana ngasagi karma flying institution the pai ga dagi no na khan thidring da aina saiba dc website chambiu information lothopiu aduga class 1 medical tobiu computer number apply tobiu adu computer number apply tor matungda isana live paraga exam pass toge haibidi ngammo haibidi nate adu khara tough oigani wagani adam best coaching institution yam leibani coaching institution jingida kudaman harda delhi da lake harata di delhi ki dwarka sector 7 hub you'll have at least plenty of flying coaching institutions in the moi generally moi 3 months course amam tawni 3 months course is the moi di tasing hagdi in depth di takpi roi tawadu how to crack the exam ni moi to do shi the 3 months is the ngasagi coaching ji yar matungda prakha thao prakha ji pass taw raha matamda now thereafter you choose where do you want to fly how you want to fly is don't there you can go through the Google and search best institutions and all adu the same haragadi mainly it's how much it's going to cost you pai badubadi mapanda abroad chalaga any foreign country da para kushi hai kasukai de tawadabu if you decide to go abroad and fly and come back then one caution and then it's better to do from the Commonwealth countries because Commonwealth countries da gidi ngasai na have FRTOL have ngasai radio telephone transmit to bugi license to adu recognize only India na su the English speaking countries had Commonwealth countries da gila kangu gidi adan directly without giving exam nang convert to bu yagani aduga Commonwealth countries nattaba atopa countries agi la torpa kangu di nang FR12 se amuk thada bi yaro see again that is a long process again it's not that simple So lots of people go abroad and do it because it's cheaper and the short. Then in the shorter time you can do it. Okay, India dasu you can have from IGROA. IGROA the Indira Gandhi Rashtra Udan Academy Raebareli Fursatganj Lebani. Sina the only civil government flying institution in India. India government gi flying institution di amakatani usigi IGROA hai short form IGROA, full form di Indira Gandhi Udan Rashtra Udan Academy hai bane Raebareli Fursatganj Lebani. Atai di private ngakani. Private you'll have over hundreds of them. Okay. CAE usually these two are very popular and this considered number 1, 2 in the country. The rest is depends from time to time. Choice the moigi how costly cost and number 2 how much time they are taking to complete your flying. Sida depend away. I think choose tong muto we agani. Broadly this sini hoigi kamaina pilot or kadegi and have do. Masigi de matang solution jarege aduga makata na specific hanging mo yaragasu hangbiro aduga videos la sida like targul share to biu kasu kaide. Thank you. Have a nice day.